Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, well, you'd have to say it glowed. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They wouldn't let poor Rudolph play in any reindeer games. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then how the reindeer loved him, and they shouted out with glee, Rudolph, red-nosed reindeer, going down in history. Oh, Rudolph, what a shiner, brightens up the whole darn sky. Oh, Rudolph, looks like a miner prancing across the sky.